Guys, self-sabotage is not so easy to cut like that with a sword, you see. I wish I could do that, cut it with a sword, but it's not possible. You need to become aware of it, you need to investigate it, you need to even realize that your subconscious is doing that. Self-sabotage takes many forms. For instance, I know what I need in a relationship, I know what I want, but I'm afraid to ask for it. I want to say no to somebody, but I don't because I'm afraid to be that he's not going to like me, he's not going to love me. I have a great job opportunity tomorrow, but I am partying the night before and I'm fucking it up and I'm late because I deeply believe that I'm not worthy of a promotion, I'm not worthy of a good relationship. Self-sabotage, guys and girls, is not because we are unworthy or because we are unethical or because we are bad or because of some moral reason. It's basically an emotional issue. It's an emotional issue, an emotional repression imprint from our childhood, where we deeply felt we couldn't be ourselves, we couldn't express anger, we couldn't express what we wanted. We were small and afraid, trying to get love and approval and belong, you know? And that's legitimate, but this is not working anymore. So if you want to cut through the self-sabotage in a way that really works, we need to be able to face some discomfort, get more conscious, become aware of where it plays out in the body, where it starts. And if you're interested in that, join me this weekend with Scott Killaby and Caitlin Pell for a 3-day Killaby Inquiries immersion. We are going to go into all that, not just talking about it, not just meditating, but getting to the core of it, getting to the guts of it. Come.